After 24a, our next topic is complementary angles and supplementary angles. Simply just remember two things, two topics only, easy. Complementary means what? 90 degree, and supplementary means what? 180 degree. Don't get any confusion between complementary and supplementary. Complementary means what? 90 degree. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. Now, how to solve questions related to complementary and supplementary angles? Directly we are starting exercise 24b because there is nothing to explain more. Question number 1. Find the complement. Find the complement. So simply when you are having a question like find the complement of a value, so directly you can subtract that value from 90. For example, find the complement of 45 degree. So simply you will write complement of 45 degree equals to 90 minus 45. So your required answer is 45. Clear? If you will add this question 45 and this 45, simply you will get 90, and that I have told you in the starting. Complement means what? 90 degree. So we have to subtract values and nothing else. One more question, x degree. So simply complement of x degree equals to 90 minus x degree, because further you don't know what is the value of x here, so you can write only 90 minus x. Then next is find the complement of x minus 10 degree. X minus 10 degree. So you will write complement of x minus 10 degree equals to, first we have to write 90 minus. Now you will use a bracket. Why? Because earlier we are having only one value, but now we are having two values. So x minus 10. Now we will remove this bracket, and as you know, if you are having a negative sign before bracket, that means the inside values will have a change in their sign. So it will be like 90 minus x, then this minus and minus will plus 10. So 90 plus 10, that is 100 minus x. So this is your required answer. Last question you can solve. Then next is supplement. Next is supplement. Supplement means what? 180 degree. So the first question, second question, both are same. 111 degree. So you will write supplement of 111 degree equals to, supplement means what? 180. So subtract 111 from 180. Clear? So simply you will get 69 degree. Like this way you have to solve. The last question I am solving, which is 20 plus y. So the supplement of 20 plus y equals to 180 minus in bracket 20 plus y. Now before bracket we are having a negative sign, that means inside we will have a change in sign. So first we will write 180, then minus 20, then this minus and plus will give you minus y. So 180 minus 20 equals to 160 minus y. So this will be your required answer, because further you can't solve this because you don't know what is the value of y. So only 160 minus y will be supplement for 20 plus y degree. In this way you have to solve question number 2. Then question number 3 is same as previous questions. Find the complement of. So I am solving here second question, question number 3 second. Find the complement of 1/5 of 160 degree. So first of all, you have to find complement, and this is your question, but first you have to simplify this. So you will write 1 by 5. As you know, of stands for multiplication. Of stands for multiplication. So into 160. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15. 1 remaining here, this 0 will become 10, 5 2 ja 10. So we got here 32 degree. So simply 1 by 5 of 160 equals to 32 degree. Now we have to find complement. So simply we will subtract this value from 90. So you will write, or you have to write, complement of 1 by 5 of 160 equals to 90 minus 32. So 58 degree is your required answer. So in this way you can solve question number 2. Then question number 3 is find the supplement of 50% of 120, then 1/3 of 150 degree, 60% of 100 degree, 3/4 of 160 degree. There is only difference between complement and supplement. The same you have to solve. First you will simplify this one you have to simplify. Then if complement is given, so you will subtract from 90. If supplement is given, then you will subtract from 180. पहले आपको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा, ये आपको जो गिवन होगा ऑफ के फॉर्म में, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद आपका जो भी एक वैल्यू आएगा, अगर कॉम्प्लीमेंट है क्वेश्चन में तो आप 90 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, अगर सप्लीमेंट है क्वेश्चन में तो आप 180 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में फर्स्ट जो है वो परसेंट वाला है, और सेकेंड फोर्थ जो है वो आपका पहले जो हम सॉल्व किए थर्ड में वैसे ही है। तो मैं यहाँ पे बता देता हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, 50% of 120 and we have to find supplement. So 50% can be written as 50 upon 100 into 120. So this 10 10 get cancelled, then again 10 10 get cancelled. So 5 into 12 simply 60 degree. Now we are finding supplement. So supplement equals to 180 minus 60 degree. So your required answer is 120 degree. In this way, same question, the fourth one, 3/4 of 160. So 3/4 into 160. 4 1 ja 4, 40 ja, and 40 into 3 120. So again supplement equals to 180 minus 120. So 60 degree is required answer. In this way you have to solve question number 3 and 4. Then question number 5, find the angle that is equal to its complement. And next question is that is equal to its supplement. So first thing you should know clearly, complement equals to 90 degree and supplement equals to 180 degree. So for example, if we want to find equal to its complement, so if we are dividing 90 by 2, we will get 45 degree, and if we are adding 45 degree and 45 degree, again we will get 90 degree. So 45 is a complement of itself. So your required answer is 45. Then same for supplement, 180 divided by 2, you will get 90. Then 90 plus 90, we are getting 180, which is a supplement. So 90 degree is a supplement of itself. This is your required answer. Then question number 6, 7 are same. 6 1 is about complementary and 7 1 is about supplementary. So I am solving here question number 6. If complementary is given, that means you will take 90 degree. If supplement is given, that means you will take 180 degree. So the two complementary angles are in the ratio 7:8. It is given in question. Then find the angles. So first thing you should know clearly, complementary, it's given in question. And as you know, complementary means what? Complementary means 90 degree. And this is your required ratio which is given. So 7 is to x, it will be like 7x plus 8x equals to 90 degree. Why we are writing 90 here? Because in question it is given complementary. For example, if it is given supplementary, so we will write here 180 degree, then we can solve further. So in this way you have to solve this question. So 7x plus 8x equals to 15x equals to 90. Now 15x can be written as 15 into x equals to 90. Then x equals to what? 90 divided by 15. So x equals to 6 degree. Now you're supposed to find angles. So 7 means 7x. So 7 into 6, that is 42 degree. Then 8x, 8 into 6, that is 48 degree. So 42 and 48 degree, these two are the required angles. And 42 and 48 will give you 90 if you will add them. So definitely you are doing right. Next question you can solve. Then question number 8 and question number 9 both are same. I am solving here question number 9. The measures of two supplementary angles. The term is given to you supplementary, and you know very well about supplementary. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. Clear? So two supplementary angles are given to us. The first one is 3x plus 15 and the second one is 2x plus 5 degree. So 3x plus 15 and 2x plus 5. So 3x plus 15 degree plus 2x plus 5 degree equals to 180 degree. So this 3x plus 2x will be 5x and 15 plus 5, 20 equals to 180. Transpose this 20 to the right hand side. So 5x can be written as 5 into x equals to 180 minus 20. So 5 into x equals to 160. X equals to 160. X equals to 160 upon 5. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja 15, 1 remaining, 0 will become 10, to 5 2 ja 10. So x equals to how much? 32 degree. So now we will find angles. So the first angle is 3x plus 15. So 3x plus 15. It can be written as 3 into x plus 15. So 3 into 32 plus 15. 32 into 3, 96 plus 15. So 111 degree is required angle for 3x plus 15. Then next is 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5. It can be written as 2 into x plus 5. So 2 into 32 plus 5. 32 into 2, 64. 64 plus 5, 69 degree. Now if you will add 69 and 111, you will get 180, which is a supplementary angle. So your calculation is right. Then question number 9. Sorry, question number 10. In question number 10, the value of an angle x degree it's given to us, and we have to find complementary angle, supplementary angle. So simply when we have to find complementary, we are having x degree, so its complementary will be like what? Simply we have to subtract this from 90. So 90 minus x degree, its complementary angle. Then 180 minus x degree, its supplementary angle. Then the value of x degree, if supplementary angle is 3 times the complementary angle. So the first thing is that value of x degree. So x degree will be equals to what? It is given that the value of x degree if its supplementary angle is 3 times. Now what is supplementary angle? This one is our supplementary angle. So we will write 180 minus x. That is 3 times. So 3 into 90 minus x. So 180 minus x equals to 3 into 90, 270. Then minus 3 into x, 3x. So 180 minus x and this minus 3x on this side. So it will be like plus 3x equals to 270. Then 180 minus x plus 3x means minus 1 plus 3. It will be like or it will be equal to 2x equals to 270. Then 180 plus 2x equals to 270. Transpose this 180 to the right hand side. So 2x equals to what? 270 minus 180. From there you will get 270 minus 180. 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, simply 90 degree. So x equals to what? 90 by 2 and x equals to 45. So this is your required answer. So your chapter 24b is over now, and some questions I will give you that you have to solve.